Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Islamic Explorers, where we create thoughtful tools to support learning, reflection, and connection with the Qur'an. Today, I'll show you how to use the tab guide included to organize your Qur'an evenly, neatly, and without the guesswork. Before we begin, make sure you have everything you need: your Qur'an, the tab guide, and your tabs. A flat surface works best. There's no need to rush this process. Think of it as a quiet, organized moment, one step at a time. To begin, pull out tab 1 and 2 on your guide and fold in. This will help keep the guide in place as you apply your tabs. Open your Qur'an to the page where you'd like to place your tab. Place the tab guide along the outer edge of the page, aligning the top part with the top of your page and the pull tabs with the right side of the page. Once it's in place, you'll notice how it creates a clear, consistent spot for your tab. This helps every tab sit at the same height, page after page, no guessing required. Now, peel one tab from the sheet, hold it gently and slide it into position sticky side up behind the page you are tabbing. Use the first tab row on the guide for your first tab. Once you're happy with the placement, press firmly from the center outward to secure the tab. Carefully remove the tab guide and take a quick look. The tab should be straight, evenly placed. Take the second tab and use the same process to place it on the second tab row. Repeat this same process for each tab, repositioning the guide as you move through the Qur'an. Consistency comes from patience, not speed, so even a few extra seconds per tab makes a big difference in the final result. If you're using a slightly larger Qur'an, you may find that you need a sixth tab or even more on the same page. In that case, simply move the tab guide a little lower. As you reposition it, align the guide so the outline of the previous tab is visible through the pull tab opening. Once the guide is in place, continue placing the remaining tabs in the same sequence until you're finished. Once you reach the bottom of the page and there's no more space to place tabs, simply pause and reposition the tab guide. Move the guide back to the top of the page and align it just as you did at the beginning. Then start again from the first tab row on the guide, following the same sequence. This allows you to continue placing tabs neatly while keeping the spacing consistent from top to bottom. If a tab doesn't land exactly where you want it, no worries at all, that happens. Just gently peel it back, realign it, and try again. Tabs are forgiving, and so is this process. And if you need to pause, that's perfectly fine. You can always come back to continue later. Remember, this doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be done with care. When you reach the last juz, you'll notice that the surahs are much shorter. This means you may have more than 3 tabs on a single page, and that's completely normal. In this section, simply follow the sequence shown on the tab guide, placing each tab in order. Keep going until all the tabs are placed. Even if the page looks a little fuller, everything will stay aligned and easy to navigate. That's it for this guide. With a little patience and the help of this tab guide, organizing your Qur'an can feel simple, neat, and even a little satisfying. Remember, there's no rush. Take your time, handle each page with care, and do what feels comfortable for you. I hope this tool supports your reading, study, and moments of reflection. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for watching.